One of the biggest buzzwords these days, especially in crypto, is HODL. Hold on for dear life. But in real estate investing, it's not HODL, but more of CTRL, or control. And when you're in control, you always win. So how can we be in control in real estate? I'm Edric Maguan, and this is The Real Deal. It seems that these days, many invest in a number of options with the mindset of HODL. But for me, HODL is such a passive term, where you just buy and bahala na. Bahala na kasi masyadong volatile. It's more like gambling rather than investing. For me, investing should be based on control. Being able to significantly minimize my risks and maximize my rewards. The good thing about real estate investment is that there are many aspects that you can control. The number one thing you can control is your personal finance. Many think that real estate is a big, scary investment. Pero sa totoo lang, when you buy a property with strong fundamentals, all you have to control is your personal finance. What do I mean by fundamentals? Fundamentals are the growth and demand drivers, such as the presence of businesses and infrastructure developments. To learn which locations and developments have strong fundamentals, schedule a free consultation with me by the link in the description. Personal finance is mainly about two things. First, master and control your cash flow, or the act of keeping track of how much is going into and out of your pocket. And second, maintain an emergency fund worth 3 to 6 months of your income as a rule of thumb. Just by doing these two, you will reduce your risk of losing your property or selling it at a loss to practically 0% chance. Another way to reduce the risk is to hit that subscribe button to learn how you can invest safely and smartly in real estate. Second, you also have control in maximizing the rewards you get from your property. You can buy and flip, you can lease out your property, you can choose to renovate or furnish your property for a bigger profit or rental income. There are so many ways to earn in real estate. It's up to you, but with other forms of investments, you only have minimal to zero control in terms of how much you can get out of it. Lastly is you control on how to balance your financial goals. For example, between going after ROI or cash flow. The great thing about investing in real estate is that it is not merely about deciding on which property to put your money, but also how to allocate your money based on your financial goals. You can, for example, choose to invest in a pre-selling property at a very low down payment to increase your ROI. Or you could choose to have a bigger cash flow by allocating more equity into your property. You decide if it's better to pay off more of the loan or invest the funds into another property that could earn you more in the long run. Investing in real estate really gives you a great deal of control. And when you understand and focus on the aspects that you can control, you can make millions in the long run. So why HODL when you can have control? Thank you for watching. Now let's put your learnings into action. I know you're excited to dive into property hunting, but hold that thought because success starts with the right strategy. And the truth is, there is no one-size-fits-all strategy. So let me help you create the best strategy specifically for you that aligns with your own goals and situation. Once that's set, let's get you a property investment that fits your strategy and maximizes your earning potential. So schedule a free consultation with me. Yes, you heard it right, it's free. Sign up now by the link in the description. Let's get rich and financially free, one property at a time. Check out my other videos and follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more investment tips.